folks. It's that time of year again. April 15th, 2016. It's the day before opening day of the spring turkey season here in Kentucky. I'm with my wife Chelsea, who's filming me. We're in Metcalfe County, Kentucky, on a friend of mine's place. I've been hunting here for 16 years, and it's just one of those places. I really don't know how to explain it. There's nothing different about this farm than a lot of other farms. As a matter of fact, this one probably doesn't even look as good as some of the other farms in the state. But for some reason, it holds birds. We kill birds here very consistently, and it shows. We got here probably half an hour ago, and we're driving up the road to the landowner's house to thank him for letting us hunt and to give him some deer meat. And we counted anywhere between 5 and 8 gobblers in a 100-yard stretch. Really looking forward to tomorrow. We need to set up a blind. Unfortunately, the field where we're going to hunt has 6 turkeys in it right now. 3 of them are big gobblers. So we're going to let them ease off, go to roost, and then we're going to go set our tent up as quiet as possible and get ready for the morning. We're going to try to get in early tonight. Need to get up early, get here before the sun rises to fool these old turkeys and see if we can't get a couple on the ground. Stay tuned, and hopefully we'll bring you some great turkey hunting action in the morning. We're excited. It's opening day. We talked to you last night. At least we tried to. We ended up putting our blind up right where we wanted to, and we know where 4 gobblers are within 300 yards, probably 200 yards of our blind. So we're really early. It's about 5:30, Saturday, April 16th. We are en route. Wanted to make sure we got in real early just in case we had to make any last minute adjustments to the blind. But we're excited. We got high hopes for our hunt this morning, and hopefully we'll be checking back in here in a little bit. Stay tuned.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted.
Oh my God. I know this camera is shaking real bad, but we just doubled up. You see them 2 turkeys laying dead right there? And we didn't shoot the inflatable, I don't think.
Oh, he's still up.
Oh my God. John.
That's a good
Woo!
So, to summarize what just happened,
Oh my God.
we had seven hens come into the field, and we knew these gobblers were close. And
Oh my God.
a single came out first. He came into the decoy. There was a bearded hen
With him.
and we thought it was another gobbler. So the plan was, well, let's wait. They'll come over here and jump on this decoy. It turned out to be a bearded hen. He turned, went with the hens. We knew these other 3, we thought were 3, were coming. Came through the fence, strutted around, couldn't make up their mind. Well, old Nebraska Bob, he finally said something they didn't like, and here they come. They strutted around for,
They strutted around for a
a
while,
couple minutes.
at least.
They finally came on in, and as you can see on the GoPro footage, I mean, we had to wait for them to separate before we could shoot.
That was awesome.
That was a good hunt. First time Chelsea and I've ever doubled. We've hunted and killed turkeys together, but we've never doubled, and we just did. So
Yeah.
we're gonna get calmed down because Chelsea's shaking like a leaf.
Not that bad now. It's kind of steady.
We'll get calmed down and go out there and see what we got. I know I blew all kinds of feathers out of mine.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I blew his head plumb off.
There they are. There's our decoys.
The smell of success.
Look at these birds.
Unbelievable.
These are beautiful, beautiful birds.
3-year-old turkey. Got about an inch fur. As you can see, I did a little bit of damage to mine.
Yeah.
Shooting a new gun.
Never
this
tried
year.
that one
You know,
before.
usually I shoot a pump gun. I'm a pump gun man. And this year,
Beautiful.
I just happened to pick this one up. This is my
Nice big beard on him.
1187, and it got the job done. As you can tell, knocked him down. Chelsea's done showed hers. I'll show mine. Not the biggest turkeys as far as weight, but not bad. They're dead. Unload my gun. Thank you, Winchester. Another job well done.
Well, it was a beautiful morning. It still is. It's only about 7:15 in the morning local time.
Yeah.
So we shot them early, got it done early.
Time for breakfast.
Time for breakfast, that's right. We'll go up, see the landowner, thank him for letting us come out to the farm and take these turkeys and breast them out.
I want to take a minute, thank God for a great day. Thanks for the opportunity to do this, do what we love. You know, I look forward to this time of year every year. There's just nothing like it. You can't beat it. So, thanks for tuning in. And till next time, have good luck.
Good shooting.
Good job, babe. It's our first double.